This tutorial review will show you how to email large file in Gmail. To email a large file, first of all, you have to upload the large file in your Google Drive. So open your Google Drive. Once you are in your Google Drive, click on New, click on Upload File and upload the large file here. Once it's uploaded, go to your Gmail and compose the email. Now click on this Insert File using Drive option and the Google Drive pop-up will show here. And now from here you have to select the large file and click on Insert. And now give here the recipient email address and click on Send. And that's how we can send a large file in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.